Hi everyone, my name is Grace and I'm from Kenya and this is my first semester at Pierce. Today I'm going to show you how to make ugali, which is a staple in Kenyan households. It's a very simple recipe and here's how to do it. For this recipe you're going to need just three things. You need a pot of whatever size you wish, corn flour or maize flour. In Kenya we use maize, but whatever is available to you will do, and a spatula. Fill the pot with some water and put it to boil on the cooker. Once the water comes to a boil, then pour in the flour. There's no need to measure really, you could just eyeball it. Even for a first timer, it really just depends on the kind of consistency you're looking for. So if you want it really thick and heavy, you can put in a lot of flour, but if you want it light and fluffy, then just a little will do. Next, you want to stir to make sure that the water and the flour make a nice paste. Now here's where consistency comes in. If you want it to be thick and heavy, then you add in more flour. If not, just stir and stir and stir away. Cover ugali with a saucepan and allow to cook for about a minute to 2 minutes. I've been cooking it for about 2 minutes. I might have overcooked it, that's why it's a bit crusty, but still good to go. After this, it's ready. So I'll just switch that off. So I'll just switch that off, and and put it on the side. So some of us like to eat the crust. I'm still very hot, so be careful with that. I'm just gonna make a stew for it, and then I'll show you how to serve. That is a finished product. Doesn't that look yummy? So we're having ugali today with pork, dry fried pork, and some fresh vegetables. You'll be happy to know that ugali pairs with any number of meats, any number of vegetables. It's quite versatile as a meal. And so how's this for our first bite? Some ugali, some pork, some veggies,